Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. Now, this civil justice sign off is for you all aware that we are working on the robocall, deadliest poverty enforcement mandated to the civilians, right? And it creates a brain nerve cells to be tortured when the people are enforced to be financially disabled, financially dead, financially crippled, like that, right? So, that is wrong. But then it's on highest level, it's Pope Francis created. Then who has created that robocall exclusively for me? I already said it is Republica Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh, who was elected in the on October 20, 2018. He was the one, the root cause, the sole cause for all the hell creation for me, right? Because he wants to steal that rightful supreme civil chief judge job of USA from me. It is he who enforced that robocalling, right? So don't you all think that today, yeah, and it was around what, October 3rd or 4th ish, that October 4th or anywhere between October 3rd, 4th, 5th, around that time, this presidential election alert came, and then only the robocall scandal was started, and that's how I lost that 4,500. So who took away that 4,500 from me? It is the Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh. He wanted to enforce poverty mandate for me, and also he wanted to steal that rightful Supreme Judge job from me also. So today, on February 4th of 2021, it is Brett Kavanaugh, the cunning, insane, wild endangered species, will resign immediately. Right, and I'm providing civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. So either the cunning, right, the cunning infinite Supreme Judge Kavanaugh, Brett Kavanaugh, should either say he knows what is Holy Bible, or cunning infinite Republica Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh should say don't know Holy Bible. Either ways, I'm winning the case, home run only. Okay, so what is the civil justice served for me as of today? For Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh created financial disability for me, stole my rightful job from me, enforced unemployment for me, enforced poverty disability for me, enforced financial debt for me. Who will pay for all these damages? What will he do? What will this Brett Kavanaugh will do if all these damages are enforced on him and thrown him on the road to be on a homeless mode, in a pauper mode? What will he do? And why on the earth there are no humans yet in the United States of America? Why? There are 300 millions of population. Why there are no humans yet in United States of America? I will ask because I own USA. I sure will ask when United States of America with fatal negligence are producing only foolish after foolish after foolish people. Who gave authority for United States of America to produce only cunning and foolish people? And why on the earth even the cunning disabled, right, is a leprosy patient after all. Right, I already educated. The abusive people are leprosy patients. So how on the earth a disabled person can be even a supreme judge? That itself, it's a proof that how the entire justice softer lines of code is wronged. It's absolutely crime. It's an absolute crime. USA lost eligibility to apologize to me. Right? See, I'm not going to ask Brett Kavanaugh, the cunning infinite, right? He's brutal, he's insane, he's wild endangered species, he's a slave to the Satan organization, Pope Francis. Pope Francis is Satan is proved, Queen Elizabeth Satan is proved, right? So I'm not asking him to get in the volcano. No, I do not want Brett Kavanaugh to get into the volcano. There is a little bit of innocence identified. So I want the Brett Kavanaugh to resign immediately from this job, because he stole that rightful Supreme Judge job from me. I own it. I should have been the Supreme Judge on October 2018. Worldwide knows that I am the eligible Supreme Civil Chief Judge of USA. And why on the earth USA provided that scandal? It is because Pope Francis enforced them to do that scandal. And I want the The civil justice for me is, according to the Holy Bible, is I absolutely want that Republica, cunning, infinite, disabled, leprosy infected patient, wild endangered human species, Brett Kavanaugh, to resign immediately. Effective 1 second, next 1 second. And then he took away $4,500 from me, right? So I want him to write the direct deposit check that Brett Kavanaugh only created robocalling for me and enforced poverty for me and created finance debt for me. So I, Brett Kavanaugh, Supreme Judge of USA, signing off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. I do not want to talk to him. No. Who is on the earth is Brett Kavanaugh to destroy, to create damages for me? Who is he? See, so that is why when he signs off that $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, that's all is a civil justice served for me. And USA should immediately, with the next 2 minutes I can give, 60, 120 seconds I can give. The United States of America should sign off, I, Veda Priya, a pro se, a true civil lawyer, a true civil doctor, a true civil supreme judge who never went to the law school must be the supreme chief civil judge of USA, and also should be supreme chief civil family law judge of USA and all the nations to rule the entire justice services forever. Means I only will provide what next process. Right? And tell me when he in a cunning way only, see, the foolish people are very severity as IS. They used to think, oh, see, in cunning way, God is not there. In cunning way, when we fool the innocent people, we can get away freely. Right? That is a loophole. That is the foolishness of the foolish people. They are leprosy people, right? Because their brain are not working. So tell me, when a brain is not working, when they are disabled to provide civil justice, because he is cunning. How can a cunning person can be even a supreme judge? You tell me. Can you all see how United States of America is at fault mode and handcuffed mode as of today? They have to fix it. They have to just make Brett Kavanaugh get out of the courthouse. Just ask him to get out. Whether he can continue his judge's services or revoke the law's degree, whatever it is, up to the USA. Let USA go mad or go crazy. Why on the earth the USA allowed that Brett Kavanaugh to create damages to me? Who is USA? Who gave authority for USA to even produce a foolish patient like him, who is a hell creator after all? Right? He's told that rightful job belonged to me, my fellow mankind, and that is absolutely wrong. I sure will get the civil justice for myself and also for the entire human kingdom. How can the United States of America even hire a cunning, insane, wild endangered species as a supreme judge? Does USA have any common sense on what disaster they're doing? Does USA have any common sense? So, yes, this will be my civil justice, and I'm signing off civil justice for myself. And who on the earth is Brett Kavanaugh to create damages, poverty, debt for me? What will he do if I can do that tit for tat, right? You all are aware of it. But I do not want to do that. No. I want that Brett Kavanaugh to live free and also must pay that $4,500 he took away from me. Who is he to take that $4,500 from me and that to create poverty debt on a mandate purpose just because he wants to steal my rightful Supreme Judge job of USA? Because of that financial loss, age factor, how much of emotional torture I had to go through, and all the above all, United States of America don't even have any bit of shame. Because every single day producing only foolish after foolish people who are creating hell after hell after hell for the wisest people. Does USA have any common sense on what exactly they did for hell? And be aware why Harvard Law School and Harvard Medical School is thrown on the jail. I only can bail out them. So there are no humans yet in United States of America. Can you all imagine the pathetic state of the USA? There is not even one human in USA. Oh, there is no other crime than not to have one human in a nation when there is 300 millions of population. What went wrong? You all tell me. Okay, white skin people are very bad, let's put it that way. They do not like colored skin. What happened to the other colored skin population in USA? Why they never stood up and slapped USA when they were providing injustice? Why? So can you all see the scandal is never about the skin color? It is all about deadliest scandal of Pope Francis only, after all. This Brett Kavanaugh is a pure slave for Pope Francis. He would have got lot of $1 trillion of dollars as luxury from the Pope Francis itself when for provided that robocall poverty mandate to me. That means you all aware, right? The Roman province Jesuits organization in all those 10 states. Each state would have provided $1 trillion to this cunning hell creator, Brett Kavanaugh. And that is why he provided that. Then how on the earth can he be even shameless be judge on the judge services? And each and every single supreme judge, be it women supreme judge and men supreme judge, they all got the curse. Are they women in the supreme justice cycle? That is why that one lady, she died. In 2020, she died because she knew that the scandal is deadliest and she died. She thought, okay, better to die. She died. Right? You all are aware of it. And even in that deathbed, she told, wait. Then even that scandal, you all are aware that Amy Barrett is also a scandal. How within 2 seconds or within 2 minutes they signed the job offer to her. You wait, watch and see. Wait, watch and see. All the Republican government population will be thrown in the jail forever. Because when they do not have any birthright to destroy holy justice services, and they did it, and that's a crime. To provide the cunning Judge Kavanaugh and to provide a job offer to Amy Barrett, who is also cunning, they're all absolute slaves to the Satan Pope Francis. And who gave authority for USA to provide those wild endangered species, human endangered species, younger children endangered species, holy marriage law endangered species to be signed as a Supreme Judge of USA? Can you all understand it is $1 trillion of error? Please, fellow mankind, USA cannot have to fix this crime right now. And what is the civil justice? Brett Kavanaugh should resign immediately in next 1 second. And Brett Kavanaugh should, the cunning Brett Kavanaugh, the wild endangered species Brett Kavanaugh, a poverty mandate hell creator Brett Kavanaugh, the Holocaust Nazism creator Brett Kavanaugh should sign off $4,500 direct deposit check to my bank account. Who is he to take? And for 3 years, 3 long years, imagine that I'm still paying only the minimum due. What will you all have done if you all have thrown in that kind of a situation? On top of it, when I'm going and asking for all the financial aid to provide services, everybody is turning back, they're back off. Why? This cunning Brett Kavanaugh even educated the finance services not to provide any financial aid to me. So I will get civil justice my way. Yes, I will show the Holy Bible and I sure will get the civil justice my way, my fellow mankind. Either USA should say to me, they know Holy Bible, or USA nation should say to me, they don't know Holy Bible. Either way, I'm winning the case by case. If they're going to prove that Holy Bible is false, then Holy Bible should be thrown in the volcano. Either way, I'm winning the case. And yes, as of February 4th, 2021, robocall poverty mandate disability mandate, finance debt mandate to destroy human brain nerves for fellow mankind worldwide is created by Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist. And live proof is I am Vedapriya Prose. The true civil lawyer, the true civil doctor, the true civil judge lost $4,500 in the year 2000, October 2018. And Pope Francis Republica Jesuits organization only educated United States of America to provide robocall poverty mandate then disability to I am Vedapriya Prose. So, civil justice as of today, 2021 is Republica. Sorry, there's a typo error. Instead of typing February, I provided January 4th. Just skip it. Be aware that it's for the February 4th of 2021. Okay. Republican Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh, elected in October 2018 only, created robocall poverty mandate finance debt for I Vedapriya on October 2018. And it is the deadliest crime of United States of America. And it is the Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh took away $4,500 from me, from I Vedapriya, and enforced Holocaust Nazism mandate to I Vedapriya Prose. Prose in October 2018, and since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and today February 4th of 2021, I have a debt of about $10,210.38. And Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh must should direct deposit tax-free $4,500 to my bank account immediately next 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, and each other Supreme Court judges must should pay direct deposit $4,500 to my bank account. And the cunning Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh stole my rightful job, the Supreme job, the holiest Supreme Judge job of USA in October 2018, displays with the proof why exactly Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh is disqualified to be Supreme Judge of USA and must resign immediate now abruptly, because disabled leprosy patient, infected patient cannot be in the Supreme Court of law, right? That I think USA must be aware of it. And then I, Vedapriya Prose, never went to law school, only must be Supreme Chief Judge and Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for USA and all nations. And I, Vedapriya, I am the native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and I am true owner of USA. And Republica Pope Francis must should pay tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 minute. And United States of America must pay tax-free $50,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever for with fatal negligence only. USA being slaves to Republica Pope Francis teams only created robocalling poverty mandate, finance debt, disability mandate for fellow mankind to destroy the human brain nerves to be tortured from finance disabled mode worldwide, and that is absolute zero tolerance crime of USA. I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye.